Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can import product reviews or site reviews into the AiTrillion system. Now, before coming to AiTrillion, it is entirely possible that you were using another application for your review system and then you decided to go in for AiTrillion all in one. But you don't know how exactly you can get those reviews that are already there on your site into the AiTrillion system. Well, the process is very easy. All you have to do is grab an export file of reviews. So export your reviews from the other application, then log into AiTrillion, and in the left hand side navigation bar, go to product reviews, and then you can go to import reviews. In the import reviews section, you will have the choice of either importing product reviews or importing site reviews. So let's go back there for a second. So that is product reviews, import reviews, and then product reviews again. Say I want to import product reviews. Now in this section, you have two things you can do. You can either export your file directly, or what we suggest is you download our CSV template so that you can see the exact format that is required. And to show you the exact format, you need to download the Excel, double click on it, open it, and it'll show you the exact format. Now I do have a pre-prepared file, so I'm going to use this. Now, before I upload this file, I want to tell you how you can use this template. So basically, you have an export file of reviews from your other application. You come into AiTrillion, you download our CSV template, and you basically transport the data over from one file to the other, or simply rename the columns. Once you're done, click on the Import Reviews tab, and it says your file is uploaded successfully. And then if I want to see my reviews, I can go to Product Reviews, All Reviews, and All Product Reviews. And amongst the product reviews that I have uploaded just now are the top few that you see over here. And these are already, because I created the file in such a way, these are already published. Importing site reviews also is a similar step. So you basically you export from the other application, then you go to product reviews, then you go to import reviews, site reviews, and again, it's a matter of a CSV import. If you are stuck anywhere while doing this import, you can get in touch with us on support@aitrillion.com. You can also live chat with us from aitrillion.com, and you can book a one-to-one support session for yourself from our website, aitrillion.com. Thank you for watching this video today, and have a great day.